Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on personalization. Now let's take a look at this wallpapers section, and as you can see we've got plenty of albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got live wallpapers, which are animated ones, and they are pre-installed. The same with static wallpapers. However, of course, they are just regular wallpapers without any kind of animation. Our own gallery and online wallpapers. So if you will have the not only the internet connection but also the proper account, of course you can create it. Then you will be able to download those beautiful free of charge options and apply them to your home screen and lock screen. So let me quickly choose something from the static wallpapers. Here we've got pre-installed options, and in order to check the preview of the wallpaper you have to tap on it and it will appear on the full screen. What is more, you can apply this blur effect. Just tap on this drop icon, and as you can see with the usage of this switcher, you can change the level of the blurriness to the right, and the effect will be the strongest, and by going to the left it will be sharp. So it's up to you, of course, and if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it, and now we have to wait. Now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.